Beauty TV. Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing a 13x7 lace frontal by Bobbi Boss. The name of the wig is called Alivia. Okay, and the color is a TT1B/R.OR. I guess that means red orange, I'm guessing. It's the same color that's on the model. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you all the cap construction. I'm dropping stuff. Okay. It also has a band on the inside, elastic band, and it has like, you can adjust it, which is pretty cool. It has one comb in the back, the adjustable straps, okay, two combs in the front with all that lace so you can really part it wherever you want to. Look at this color, y'all. Ain't that beautiful? It's fierce. Look like some fire. Okay, gorgeous. She is fire. She's fire. So I'm going to try. I don't know what's going on with the baby hairs, but it says something on the box, customizable. You really have to go in on the baby hairs because they look like bangs. Anyways, I will not be doing all that today. I won't be trimming the lace or anything. Probably just tuck it under so y'all can see how, get a feel of how it will look. Okay, so when I come back, you all will see me with this wig on my head. Okay, I'm back with the wig on my head, and she is very beautiful. I absolutely love this color. The color is very gorgeous, and she's not that long. She comes about to my waist. You can see that. Yeah, but pretty cute. Pretty cute. I'm on my tippy toes trying to show you all what's going on. Okay, let me do a quick 360 of this wig. And she don't tangle, and she don't shed that much. I got one strand. Now that's that's rare. And a couple of more strands, so it doesn't shed too much at all, which is a plus. Okay, here's the side, the back, and the other side. All right. That pretty much wraps it up for this review. This was a real quick show and tell. All right, that's all. But you can style her, the middle, the side, the other side. But have a little, whatever you want to do with her. A top knot, all that stuff. It's very versatile. Very nice. Okay, so yeah, that wraps it up for this review. Thank you for tuning in to Princess Beauty TV. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with others, and have a blessed day. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.